Hi. I just got to think back to the time where I was living and working up near Labrador City, and we had the radio station from Toronto beamed into our local radio station by satellite, and they were talking about how traffic was backed up on the 401 and that it was 10 lanes in each direction of complete bumper to bumper gridlock. I was on a 2-lane road heading into the sunrise. There was no traffic as far as the eye could see, and I was listening to this on the radio, and I was absolutely thrilled to be in Labrador City. I think I'm gonna go there again. It's so easy. Life is so much simpler, and the commute, if you have one, is without any hassle at all.